Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode on Keep It Simple Silly. I'm Pranav Karat, and today we are diving into the most effective frameworks to close deals, and that's MEDDPICC. So, if you're new to sales or looking to up your game, this video is for you. So, what exactly is MEDDPICC? It might sound complicated, but it's really not. MEDDPICC is an acronym that represents the critical steps in a sales process. Let's start with M for metrics. This is all about understanding the key performance indicators, that is KPIs, that matter to your potential customer. It's about numbers or goals they're trying to achieve. Next up is E, which stands for economic buyer. This is the person who can make the purchasing decision. You want to identify and build a relationship with this key decision maker. Now, D is a decision maker. What are the specific factors that will influence that decision? Would it be price? Would it be features? Or it's any other consideration? You got to look into that. And it's D again, but this time it stands for decision process. You need to understand how the decision is made. Is there a formal process? Who else needs to be involved? Here, PI stands for Pain Identifier. What problems or challenges is your product or service going to solve for them? This is crucial to show your value. C stands for champion. Your champion in the organization is an internal advocate who supports your solution within the organization. They are your ally. There is a C once more, and that stands for competition. You need to be aware of who you're up against and what other options or competitors are in the mix. So now that you know what MEDDPICC stands for, you can now go ahead and use it in your sales process. But how do you do that? Let's discuss this in our next video. And that's a wrap, guys. And until next time, this is Pranav Karat signing off.